A very good morning to all of my students. I am Richa God from Quick Maths. Today we will do the exercise 11.3 class 8th. The first question of this exercise is, there are two cuboidal boxes as shown in figure. Which box requires the lesser amount of material? Let's choose the pen, yellow color. Now, in this we have two different shapes, two cuboidal boxes, but these are two different shapes. Means first is cuboid and second is cube. As the main part of this is first of is rectangle and second one is square. So this is complete cuboid and this is cube. Cube is also the shape of cuboid. When all the lengths are equal, then it will become cube. Now we have to calculate the area because the requirement is which box requires the lesser amount of material to make. Means to make the surface area of it, which box will require the lesser amount of material. So we have to calculate the surface area, and that is total surface area, complete area, total surface area. So in the case of cuboid, if we are having a cuboid, this one, this is the cuboid, we have 6 faces. First, I am highlighting it with white color. This is the base, floor base. This is rectangle. So this one is length and this one is breadth. So for first part, it is LB. The area is LB. Similarly, for the top one, for the top part, it is also LB. So it will become 2LB because these are two opposite faces. First is ground face and second is roof face because this room is also a cuboid. So first is floor area, it is rectangular, and similarly the roof area, this is also a rectangle. So in the case of rectangle, the two opposite faces are here. So LB and LB, it is 2LB. Similarly, other two faces, I am highlighting it with pink color. This is the next face, side. This is the side face and this is the opposite face of it, pink. I am highlighting it with pink color. So according to this one is height. This is height. I can show it with white color also. This one is height, and this is breadth. So it will be HB. It is height into breadth. This is also height and this is breadth. So it will be 2HB. For two opposite similar faces, it will be 2HB. Now I am highlighting it finally with the green color. The last face, back face is this one, green color. In the back face, bottom is the length and this one is the height. Similarly, in the front face, this is the front face. It is length, it is height. So it will be length into height and it is twice. So it will be 2LH. I am highlighting with the white. It is 2LH. So in the similar way and simple way, we can say that in the cuboid, there are 6 faces totally. In the 6 faces, there are 3 opposite faces, pair. 3 opposite faces, pair. And in 3 opposite faces, the first face is LB. This is double. Second is BH. This is also double because of 2 faces. And the last is HL. This is also double because of 2 last pair. 2 last faces, opposite faces and last pair. So it will be the formula for the area, total surface area of the cuboid. So we will put it here, 2LB plus 2BH plus 2HL. This is the total area, surface area. We will put the value here. Length is 60 in the first case. Length is 60 and breadth is 40 plus, I am using yellow color so that it can be visible clearly. 2 into breadth is 40 and height is 50. Again plus 2 into height is 50 and the length is 60. So it will be 2 into 60 into 40, 2400 plus twice of 2000 plus twice of 3000. So it will be, you can take 2 common. It will be 2400 plus 2000 plus 3000. So we can write it as 3000, 2000, 5000, 5000 plus 2400. It will be 7400 and the answer will be 00814. It will be 14800 and the area will be in centimeter square. This is the area, total surface area of first cuboid. Now for the second figure, as the difference is just, it is a cube. It is not a cuboid, it is a cube because each length is in 50 centimeter. Each length is in 50 centimeter, each length is same, so it is a cube. In the case of cube, the area will be 2 LB. The area of cuboid is this one, na? BH and 2HL. We will put it here, 2 into, take 2 common, this will be LB plus BH plus HL. So here all the measurements are same. L is equal to B is equal to H. In the case of cube, all are same. So we will put it here. Area will be 2 multiply. It will be L into L. L into L. Again L into L. We are putting the value of all as L. So it is 2 into L square plus L square plus L square. So this will be 2 into, this is 3L square. So we will have a formula of cube. It is 6L square. We haven't done anything. We have just put the formula. We have just put the L is equal to B is equal to H as a length in the case of cuboid formula. Then we will get the formula for area of cube. It is 6L square. L square is side. So 6 side square. This is the formula for cube. So we will calculate it for the cube. I am calculating here. It will be visible to you easily. Area will be 6 into side square. Side is 50. 50 square. So 6 multiply 2500 because 5 square is 25 and 0 square is 00. So it will be area for second figure will be 00 and 6 times of it is 6 5 30, 3 carry, then 15 and the meter is centimeter square. So this is the area for second figure, 15,000 centimeter square. So I have also explained how we can calculate the area of and how we can get the formula of area of cuboid and the cube. Thank you so much.